So here I'm discuss topic called so previous when you're posting anything Twitter, automatic post for where? Facebook. So I don't require for that option. That is called Twitter to Facebook integration. Simple option will be that option will be called disconnect. If anything share in this option, they can share for your Facebook profile and Facebook one page only. You can stop that option. Simple here, just one click, setting and privacy. If not required, automatic share for Twitter post on Facebook profile and Facebook page. In this, click for apps. Here, the showing option will be here that is called connect disconnect. They showing for disconnect. Just one click here, the showing for disconnect option. Now we can connect with the Facebook here. That is called connect and disconnect. Will be have the two options. One will be connect. Second will be once connect, you can disconnect with the option will be button. So clear? This is called we can disconnect your Twitter post anything automation on your Facebook. That is called we can will be disconnected. They can't post Twitter to Facebook profile and Facebook page.